At present, 53 students are there. Okay, so good morning all. Just to start,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Just to start with your module 2. Module 2 comprises of all these topic: decoder, encoder, mux, demux, subtractor, adder. Adder will be having the parallel binary adder as well as look ahead adder. We will implement various function using various varieties of all these logic which is available in market. Various ICs are available for decoder, encoder, mux, demux, subtractor as well as adder. We will see how to use that to implement various function. There will be a case where you will be making an adder using multiplexer. You will be making implementing various function using a decoder, encoder and all that. Also you will be using a binary to BCD encoder. All those applications you will see in this module. To start with, let us see decoder. Now decoder is a and as you know, this all is a combinational logic. All these are combinational logic, and I hope you remember the definition of combinational logic. So combinational circuit is the combination of logic gates where output depends only on present input. This we have seen in previous module also. So we have seen design of various type of combinational logic also. If you remember, we had done 2-bit binary multiplier, and various other things are also example of combinational logic. We did conveyor belt questions, and we had done other type of real time example. All that comes under design of combinational logic only. So such questions of multiplier or any other things like that can come either in module 1 or module 2. Okay, so because that comes under design of combinational logic, so you can design a combinational logic using these gates, or you can also design this combinational logic using these application circuits. So all these what is listed here is the application circuit which we use for various purposes. So to start with, we will see decoder today. So write down your topic name as decoder. Okay, decoder is a, I will show the circuit. Okay, so decoder is a multiple input, multiple output logic circuit, and the block diagram is shown here. Okay, so you make this block diagram in your notebook. That is n is to 2 to the power n decoder. So what you will have in this, you will have n number of input and 2 to the power n number of output. So you can see how it is written. Because I am saying n input, it will range from 0 to n minus 1, and output is 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1. This is the general decoder diagram. So draw it quickly. General decoder diagram. Once you have drawn, you should tell me, what if I take minimum number of input as 1, how many output will be there? If I have input of 2 numbers, how many output will be there? Are you copying the block diagram? Copied?
Ma'am, is it 1 and 3?
Yes, ma'am, we are still copying.
Copy it fast. If n, it is n and 2 to the power n, right? So if I take n equal to 1, 2 to the power n is what? 2, right? So if you have 1 input, you will have 2 output. So that will be called as 1:2 decoder. But generally we never use 1:2 decoder. The smallest one what we use is 2:4 decoder. So you can see that if my input is 2, output will be how much?
4.
4. Yes. So it is 2:4 line decoder is what we say. Okay. And this 2:4 line decoder, a decoder sometimes it is called as encrypting data. Okay. It is called as encrypting data. I hope you people have written the definition also, which is written here. It is multiple input, multiple output logic circuit, and the block diagram. Okay, and it converts data from one form to another form. Okay, one form to another form. Now we will start the most basic one, that is 2:4 decoder. Because it is first class of such application circuits, I will go little slow, but slowly the pace will increase. Okay. So are you able to see my screen of?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So module 2, I already gave you the name. We will start with decoder today. Okay. I have already given you the block diagram of decoder, a general block diagram. Now we will take one decoder which has 2 input. So it should have 4 output. You are supposed to give name to this. So I am giving name as A0, A1. Okay. And I'm output also should be given name. So it is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Always keep enough space in your diagrams because I will be adding new pins as we go on. Okay. So 2:4 decoder is something like this. Now, if I make a truth table of this, if you have understood, no, it is one form to other form. So what form to what form is what you are supposed to understand now. So I will make the truth table here. Okay. And this truth table, when you are copying along with me, try to leave space left and right. Okay. The way I am leaving space, the same way you are also supposed to leave the space. Okay. Because it keeps on complicating as I go on with the complexity of this circuit. Okay. So when I am drawing, you draw in the same form. Okay. So I am giving the input as Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. You need not bother whether it is Y0 to Y3 or it is Y3 to Y0. It does not matter because it is just a name. Okay. It is just a name here, and it's not like you had in the previous module the way you were writing as per your. Okay, you can see that I am trying to leave one space, one column I am leaving, which I will fill later. Okay, and I am leaving one row also. I am leaving one row also. Now, if your input, this is your input side, right? And this is your output side. And what is it? It is a 2:4 line decoder. So it is a 2:4 decoder. Okay. Now, if A, it is one form to other form, no? So if A0 and A1 is 0, 0, your output will be 1, 0, 0. Y0 will be high. Okay. And if it is 0, 1, if it is 0, 1, your Y1 will be high. This is the logic. Okay. So this is how decoder behaves. This is how decoder behaves. It is converting one form to the other form. So what is happening now? Because I had 2 inputs, there were 4 possibilities of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. And output also possibilities are more, but it will depend upon input. Okay, it will depend upon input. So this is your general basic truth table of 2:4 decoder. Now, if I ask you to make the circuit using basic gate for this decoder, what you will get? Or can you tell me what will be the equation of Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 in terms of A1 and A0? So you have to tell me the equation. What can be the equation of Y0 in terms of A0, A1, then Y1 in terms of A1, A0 again, and so on. What will be the equation? Tell me. What will be Y0, what will be Y1, what will be Y2, and what will be Y3? Somebody? What will be Y0? Equation for Y0. You have done your K-map and you have done your truth table, you know how to write. So if I am asking, the decoder will be like, it is Where to write? Okay, it is like y0, y1, y2, y3 as a function of a0, a1, right? So now y0 is your output. Y0 is your output, and what is your input? A0 and A1 is the input. So what will be the equation of this Y0?
A naught bar, A1 bar.
Correct. It is A0 bar and A1 bar. Right. The same way Y1 equation will be,
A naught bar and A1.
yes, it will be, let me write it in A0 first and A1 later. Okay, so it will be A0 bar A1.
A1.
You will be able to see some relation here and there. It is good. You can keep on seeing and keep on analyzing the new things. So next will be A0 and A1 bar, and last is A0 A1, right? So you know this. Now, if I ask you to make a circuit of it, the question in your university exam can be, make a basic gate circuit of a general 2:4 decoder. If they say general 2:4 decoder, and if they don't mention about the name enable, then you can simply make a basic gate circuit of this 2:4 decoder. Now, if I ask you to make basic gate circuit of this, what all you will be using? You will be having your A0.
AND gate and not.
Yes,
Then
AND gate and NOT gate. Two NOT
NOT
gate
gate.
and 4 AND gate will work, right? So you can simply start writing your A0, and you will have your A0 bar. You will have A1 and you will have A1 bar. And now if I want to write Y0, so Y0 will be what? A0 and A1 coming together. This will be your Y0, right? Am I right? Y0, did we get Y0?
Yes, ma'am.
Next I
Yes,
want
ma'am.
Y1. Y1 means it will be A0 bar, A0 bar, and it will be A1, A1. So why I am making this circuit? Why I am not leaving it to you? Because this is your first type of circuit for your first application IC. Okay. Still this is a general one. IC does not come for this. I will tell you about ICs also. Next is your Y2. Y2 is A0. Always make this heavy dot whenever you are showing connection. Okay. So Y2 is your A0 and A1 bar. A1 bar means this, right? Always make your circuit neat and clean so that your examiner or whoever sees should be able to see it in a clean form. Next, I want A0 and A1. So I have A0 till here. I can use that. And A1 is here. I can use it. Okay. So this becomes your general decoder. Now I will add things to it. I will add things to it. What is that thing? There is a pin called enable pin. Most of the ICs, whatever you will see now onwards in your module 2, you will see that generally there will be one enable input. What is the meaning of enable input? Enable input says that if your enable is active, then only your decoder will work. If it is not active, it will not work. Okay. Now, generally what we have seen is that enable pin in general is always active low. I hope you people remember what do you mean by active low. Active low says that if a input is given as 0, then it becomes working. And if it is 1, it is not working. This is the meaning of active low. I hope you understand. In the active low, logic high is given by low voltage and logic low is given by high voltage. Generally, it is, you will know the reasons later, but generally a decoder, encoder and all these ICs have your enable pin as low. Okay, now how do you show that? Now you can see that in my this circuit, I will add one more. I will add one more input. Okay, I will add one more input and I will put a bubble here. I will put a bubble here. When I put a bubble like this in any block diagram like this, it is called as, this is a active low input. So this is a active low input, what I am trying to show here. And there is a way of showing the active low input. We generally show in the block diagram with this bubble, and we also show like this E bar. E bar shows that it is an active low input. Okay, so when we have active low input, this active low means what? If it is 0, it will be in a working mode. If it is high, it will not be in working mode. So for your this present example, I will show that. See, when I say 0, 0 and all like this here, 0, 0 and all this is active high inputs only. A0 and A1 is active high input, and Y0 to Y3 is active high output. So there is no doubt in A0, A1, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. All these are active high only. Only your enable pin is active low. So now I will add this E here. I will add this E here. And what does this say? This says that if E is high, what do you think? Enable means enabling the decoder. If E is high, what will happen? If E is high means it will give a 0 here, right? If E is high, it will give a 0 here. And a 0 here means it will not allow the decoder to work. So what happens? When decoder is not allowed to work, whatever input you are giving becomes a don't care. Why? Because it is not allowing my input to work at all. It is not allowing my input to work at all. Okay. So then what happens? We will say that all this output will be 0. So this is the case when your enable is high. So input does not matter to it because it is not allowing it to work, and all the output becomes 0. When all are 0, you understand that it is in active or it is in a disable mode. Okay, it is in a disable mode. Now, when I talk about enable input, only two possibilities are there. It is either high or low. High I already showed you. If it is high, input will not be working, don't care, and output will be all 0, 0, 0. Means it is not a proper decoded output because all are 0. Now, if enable is 0, then it will allow A0 and A1 to work. And because A0 and A1, two variables are there, it will work for 4 possibilities. So this is an added input to 2:4 decoder, which you should understand now. Okay. Now, is this clear? How you will put in your block diagram in your gate circuit now? From where I should bring this E into picture? E should also be there now because it is your input now. How it will come? Think and tell me. How enable input should be shown in the circuit?
Ma'am, you can give it to A0 and A1. A signal going to A0 and A1, enabling them.
A0 and A1 are an independent input. I should not touch it. I should not touch it.
I'm showing it separately.
I will show it separately. I want you to tell me the connection. It will come as an extra input to all, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I will make it a different color. It will come as an extra input to all. Okay. And it will come as extra input to all, but you need to tell me the connection in the form of how it will connect here. What will be there? You know this AND gate, na? AND gate will work. See, when you make A0 and A1 as 0, 0, then your Y0 is becoming high. And you want it to remain high, na? If enable does not work, it will become 0. right?
Ma'am, the not gate you'll send the input.
Yes, here I need to use a NOT gate. So what will happen now? What will happen now? You understand? If enable is high here, if enable is high here, you will get a 0 here. If enable is high here, you will get a 0 here. No matter what your A0 or A1 is, this 0 will go and make output of all AND gate as 0. Are you understanding this logic? If enable is high, NOT gate output will be 0, and this will go and make all the y0, y1, y2, y3 as 0, the way I have shown it in truth table. So this will make all 0, 0, and whether your A0 and A1 is 1, 0, whatever, it does not matter. It becomes a don't care. A0 and A1 becomes a don't care, and y0 to y3 becomes 0. So this is the case when it enable is not enabling your 2:4 decoder to work. Now, opposite case when enable is working. So enable is working means it is allowing. Enable input is 0, and what do you get here? A 1. So now all are getting 1 with respect to this enable input. So A0 and A1, whatever it is, will be followed by Y0 to Y3. Are you understanding this addition of enable in your circuit, block diagram and truth table? And how will you add it in your equation? How will you add it in your equation?
E bar.
E bar, right. So all this will have E bar. All this will have a E bar. Okay, I'm using capital now. Let me use capital only. So all will be having a E bar added to this. Okay. So this is how your equation will change. Is it clear? Your 2:4 decoder with enable pin is clear to all of you now? This is the most basic one. Many complicated things will come. This should be 100% clear so that we can go on to the complicated versions of it.
Ma'am, I got confused in the enable word.
You tell me what is the confusion?
Ma'am, the diagram.
That AND gate diagram. You are not clear about the addition of enable pin in that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see here what you can see. This one pin is going for enable pin, which is getting output is connecting to all the AND gates. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you see, if I make enable as high, the way it is shown in the truth table, if I make enable as high, here you will get a 0.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
all the AND gate input will be 0. So
0.
if all the AND gate input is 0, output will also be 0.
0.
So it is not behaving as a decoder at all. All
Yes.
output becoming 0, it is not behaving as a decoder. To make it behave as decoder, this input should be high so that it becomes redundant and it Y0 to Y3 works as per A0 and A1. So if I make enable as 0 here, that
It will
means
become one.
all this thing, this will be 1.
Yes, ma'am.
And now all are 1, so it will not bother about this. It will depend upon A0 and A1.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your circuit with enable pin. Okay.
Yes.
So now this is your general decoder. I have told you the working. So now I want you people to see the other complicated decoder. Now complicated decoder means you have to see this one. 74139. All of you write this IC name. 74139 dual 2:4 decoder. Dual 2:4 decoder. 74139 dual 2:4 decoder. Why I say dual 2:4 decoder? Because in this IC there are two 2:4 decoder. Now you need to make a block diagram of this quickly. Make block diagram of 74139, which is a dual 2:4 decoder. So what you can see is pin number 1 and pin number 3 and pin number 4, 5, 6, 7. This forms one decoder. Okay, and this enable pin is G dash, active low enable, what I have taught you just now. So first decoder is 1A, 1B is the input and 4, 5, 6, 7 is the output. 2:4 decoder with enable pin of 1G dash. Second decoder is 2A, 2B as input and 9, 10, 11, 12 as the output, and your input for enable for this one is 2G dash. So note down this block diagram, okay, and then we will see the internal diagram also. Internal diagram you already know because just now you made one decoder yourself. I hope you had copied when I was making that circuit. So this is, you can imagine what will be the input and output and what will be the internal circuit of this 74139. This IC name you should remember, okay, and you should remember how things work. People will not tell you later that it has active low enable. You have to remember it. So 2 is to it. That is why I told you to write it as 74139 dual 2:4 decoder. Dual word is important because there are two decoder in this. Okay. Now I will show you the internal diagram. You can understand this now. Okay, see it one by one. See it one by one. If you have any doubt, you should tell me. You can see that simply two NOT gates are used, okay, to make as 1A bar or 1A. You all know that 2 NOT gate is equal to, you don't copy this diagram, you just analyze it. Why this has happened? Because NAND gate is used. Okay, this is the general diagram, NAND gate is used. That is why you are having this. Now I want you people to write truth table of this on your own. Write truth table of dual 2:4 decoder on your own. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing what I want you people to do is understand 3:8 decoder. Now 3:8 decoder, what will happen? You will have 3 input A, B, C, and you will have 8 output. And that will be what? Y0, Y2, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7. So I want you to make the truth table of this 2:4 decoder, dual 2:4 decoder. And I also want you to make the block diagram, truth table and equation of 3:8 decoder. Okay. So these two things is what you are supposed to do now. Number one is the truth table of dual 2:4 decoder. And what is the IC name? IC name is, tell me, what is the IC name?
74139.
Yes, you please remember this, okay? It has active low enable and 2:4 decoder. 2:4 it is. Second thing what I want you people to do is make 3:8 decoder. It follows all the same thing what we have seen here. This is 2:4 decoder, exactly you will have 3:8 decoder. Why I am asking you to make 3:8 decoder? Because after that we will be seeing another IC which is 74138. 74138. This IC is 3:8 decoder which is available in market and which we can use it to implement various function. Okay. So these two things you have to do it and let me know.